Thanks for tuning in to take a look at this 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 with us here at Wicked Warnings. This is for our friends over at Fox Metro, but the focus of this video is light bars. Let's talk about light bars. And if you want to put one on your 1500, 2500, 3500 GM, just like this, let's talk about sizes first. This truck is featuring a 48-inch light bar, which is acceptable for a 1500 or a 2500 truck. However, if you would like a larger light bar, the next step up size is 60, and that is just wider, of course, but the 48 is not bad. We stock the 48 all the time here at Wicked Warnings, and I actually stock it with an extra long 25-foot harness. That's not how it's normally sold, but I order them all that way because we want that harness extra long, because most of the time we mount it here on a back rack, as you can see. Now, the light bar that we stock also has a strap mount and adjustable feet. So if you prefer to put that light bar on the roof, this 48-inch is capable of doing that. If that's your style, you'd rather have it right here in the middle, strap mounted like the police. What you do is you open this up and the strap comes through here, and you put a couple of screws right here, and that's how it's affixed, and you tighten it all up. And that way you could mount it in the middle. Usually requires a hole in the roof. However, a lot of guys are okay with that. Now, if you like back racks, this is a low profile back rack. You can get a tall one, low one, you can get a fancy one, you can get a simple one, whatever you like. But this is the 48-inch light bar. Let's swing around the back on a back rack. As you can see, it's almost as wide as the roof. So if that's good for you, then that's what you'd want to order. And that is, again, the SoundOff 48-inch, but a 60-inch would also fit. We can custom order a 60 in either SoundOff or Phoenix or whatever flavor you like. I just wanted to show you this one and kind of go over what you can do with the light bars. Now, if you have factory auxiliary switches, there'll be a power wire in there, but you need more than a power wire. So you're going to end up with a harness coming down. You can program it to do all kinds of stuff. We can order them in multicolor if you need. Whatever light bar you need, get a hold of us. But this one that we stock, the amber white SoundOff nRoads, is a real bulletproof light bar. You can program all kinds of different stuff with it. It's got takedown lights in the front, alley lights in the corner. That's how we populate it. Otherwise, it's all amber. The rear is all amber, can do arrow sticks both ways. Just an all-around awesome light bar, 48-inch size, very versatile. And as you can see here on this brand new GMC, very effective. You can't ignore this light bar. In person, it is a scorcher in your eyes. It's very bright. And I hope you like this video. It's kind of just talking about something a little different, not necessarily focusing on selling a product or showing you an exact product. We're just talking light bars, and light bars, how they look on these new GMC trucks. Now you can see with the low profile back rack, that light bar is right above the roof, which is how I like it. I don't necessarily like them to stick up super high myself. But if you have more construction truck or something and you wanted it higher, you could definitely do that. But that low profile works really good on these 1500s. It keeps them kind of a little more sleek looking. So shout out to our buddies at Fox Metro for allowing us to use their truck as a demo. Thanks again for tuning into Wicked Warnings and discussing light bars with me. Drop some comments, drop some photos. Show me what you've done. Show me what you want to see me do. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. See you guys in the next video.